Good morning, day 3. We've just woken up. It's excuse me, 6:53. I woke up about 6, slept really well, which was great.
Hey oldest friend, fancy going to Wales for a week? Neat. Fancy going to Wales for a week? Come on then, let's go.
Hello van camping fans, Jean-Claude Van Camper here. Picked up Alan Carr camper, see what I did there? Right, we're heading over to Wales on our annual jaunt. We're covering the north coast of Wales this year, and then we're going to head back to a couple of favourite spots that we've found over the last few times that we've been. I've actually got a couple of little challenges that I want to do. An oldest friend doesn't know about these. When we're having meals, I'm going to try and describe a meal as a film, or use a quote from a film to describe a meal, that kind of thing. I'm going to try and shoehorn those in. Oldest friend doesn't know anything about that. Also, I've got a joke book with me, and I'm going to try and work in a couple of the jokes in a day, you know, from that joke book. And I'll show you those on a morning, because I'll probably check those out on a morning before we set off. I've also got a really big slinky with me, and I'm going to try and find a staircase to let that slinky go down. I'm hoping to have some fun with that. Again, oldest friend doesn't know about these things. A couple of other little challenges in mind as well to do during this holiday, just to make it A, fun for me, and hopefully fun for you, so that you can enjoy watching me try to do these daft things. Alright, as I say, heading to Wales, let's get there. Here we are, Wales. Oldest friend's taking a wrong turn. Oh dear. Looks like I'm going to get to the destination first. Look, he's gone, he's gone. Mind you, it'd be quite funny if the route he ends up taking, if he doesn't come back down this way, if he gets there before me. So the first port of call is Flint. We're going to Flint Castle. Now that's a cool bridge. I'm just pulling into Flint, dude. Can you hear me?
Barely.
Ooh, whereabouts are you?
I'm about 2 miles from Castle.
Right, okay, you're not too far behind me then. Ooh. He's made it! Both oldest friend and I thought that was actually somebody stood there. Are you excited, Nate? I think that was a yes. That was a yes.
You see out.
Look at that. That's a good castle, isn't it? Look at this greedy bugger hogging a seat. Not letting old people sit down. How rude. So our plan is to stay in this car park for the night, but behind there, on the other side. On the other side of that, you've got a view overlooking the castle. But first, we're going to go shopping. Get all that out of the way. Shopping. Shopping. Deja vu. That rain can. Won't mind flying the Neo through there. It's all I see when I look at places like this now. It's all I see. And then barriers where you can't get through. It's been a big spot.
Hey, enough.
Oh dear. Is it a bit slippery, Nate? Tell you what, you could do some nice fly-throughs in here. Now, how far down does it go if I lose it? Oh, it's not too bad. Can live with that. Going up. Go on, Nate. Come on, girl.
The show, yeah?
Woo! It's just a cage at the top. Wait, that's good. Going down. Quite a drop. You got the willies?
A little.
He's got the testicle tinglers. This is the one on the other side. That's the one we've just been up. A lot of gulls knocking around. Ah, there's somebody feeding them over there, I think. Oldest friend's going that way. I'll have a quick look down here. Whoa. And we've got a bit of a woohoo! Thick walls, these. Bit like my head. Yeah, it's been quite the fortress, hasn't it? With like arrow slits and so on. Oh, hello, there's some familiar face.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Well, I thought I'd have a look around.
Have you been put in jail?
Yeah, into the clink.
Christ.
Is she doing mad things again?
Went right to the edge.
She's no spring chicken anymore, is she?
No.
Press the button below. Yeah, I think somebody's hit that with a rock. Not a lot here, but I do think it's got potential. Tomorrow morning, early doors, DJI Neo. Pit of Doom. Somebody else has had the right idea, same idea as me. Flying a Neo. Mooch round the back of the castle. It's a nice little bit of woodland. There's another car park just there. We're actually going to move the vehicles and pop into that one because it's a little bit quieter. Out of the woodland, you've got the castle. There was something I wanted to see along here, which is kind of why I'm meandering down here. Got another one of those bench hoggers. Look at that. Just hogging a seat on a bench. What a so-and-so.
Dear Tom, I hope this letter finds you well and in good spirits. We're looking forward to Christmas as best as we can. Wishing you were back home with us safe and sound. We hope it won't be too long before you can come home, and we all look forward to that day. Thinking about you each day and praying for your safe return. Love, Mother and Father. On the 11th of the 11th, 1916.
Lasted well. Oldest friend's found a very old friend. Looks like he's got wood for you.
One man and his dog.
Went to mow a meadow. We're on the move! On the move! Right, this is where we've moved to. The castle is just behind those trees. Oh, can you feel that wind? Can you hear it? Well, you can't feel it, but can you hear it? Sheesh. Anyway, we're quite sheltered down here. It's quite nice. So we're just having an alcohol-free beer and a few little snacks. We're going for a little walk. We got bored. So this is Flint. Our man Flint. That was a film reference, but it wasn't mealtime yet, so I'm going to try and work that one in later. Oddfellows Hall. Seems like the right place for us. Taxi for oldest friend. Taxi. Popularised by a certain member of the Spice Girls, Emma Bunting. Say boo to the flu. Oh, That was quite good as you come round from there. Not often you see a sandstone church. I wonder if that's kind of like a quarried stone in the area. It's got very modern doors. It looks quite modern actually. You can tell it's an affluent area. No sarcasm here, no sarcasm here.
There isn't. He's never sarcastic.
We've come round back. That didn't sound right, did it? Public supply stores, it says on there. The Old Courthouse Cafe, it says on there. And what's that all about? Another kind of sandstony building. York, you need to pay attention to this. £2.50 a day. £2.50 as opposed to your ridiculous charges. We found the rail station and look at that sculpture. That's quite unusual, a bit biomechanical. Look at that beast.
We're at the railway station, which is just about a foot or so away from...
Right, you know, on the way here I said there was one of those things that I was going to do. There's one there and there's I think this is a bigger one here. Yeah, this is definitely bigger. Right, let's do it. Let's try it out. Ooh, slinky. Let's see if it'll make it all the way to the bottom of here. Oh, oh, that was. Oh, it's going. Fail. Not doing very well. Stairs are too big. No, the steps are too big. Let's try the other side. Alright, let's try on this side. Oh, I think these are a bit deep as well. I think we're going to have to class this one as a fail. Ooh, ooh. Oh, close, but no cigar. Fail, fail. There's a good hill over here and I've just realised we can have a lot of fun flinging the trucks off it, so before it gets too dark. So let's do it. This is fun. Here comes oldest friend with us. So I got this FTX Texan 1/18th mini crawler. Oldest friend has got a little route going on. Go on. Looks quite good with the lights, doesn't it? Round here. I'm back to home base. Time to get a bit of food on the go, so I've got some tender stem broccoli and a nice Welsh ribeye. Nice. Also got a new stove. New gas stove to try out. Comes in a nice little case, and it's got 5 burners on it, and a long gas lead. It's alright, I like it. It's got a little igniter that tucks just around there, sparker. Look at that. It's a right power stove. 5 burners.
Make sure you don't get the wrong ends.
Right, I've rendered that for a bit. I'm going to crank the heat up a little bit now.
How has it got when they eat chicken or anything? It just goes straight down. You've got to shoot.
Nice bit of steak to start the holiday.
Pure muck.
Muck. Posh. And the last bit goes into the abyss. Getting a little bit of rain. One of the things that oldest friend and I have both bought for this trip is, can you see me lights? Can you see me lights? Oh, one's gone. There we go, red, full power. Heated gilets from Temu. Oldest friend got one, I've got one. Oh my god, they are so good. So good. So toasty. Anyway, are we going to go and crash out?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's raining. Right. Yeah, it's time to get in. Well, we've had a good first day, settling down for the night relatively early. Started raining, so we thought we'd crash into our respective vehicles. You know what to do if you want to follow the rest of this trip and you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing and all that jazz. Going to do a bit of reading, got a bit of Jack Reacher on the go, got a few snacks. I'm going to crash out. See you in the morning for day 2. See you soon.